people, so I'm back at the King of Thick Shakes. I mean, this is my third video here, and I have to say this, people, that I rarely ever do recordings outside, but Broken but Beautiful, Ekta Kapoor is web series. Oh my God, it's like Harleen Sethi, who's the lead character in the series. I think she just steals the show. Yeah, I mean, uh, she has the supporting cast of Vikrant Masi, who's going to come, who's also co-starring in Deepika Padukone's Chapak. But honestly, I think this particular season belongs to Harleen Sethi. I mean, her performance is like just stellar is not the word. And special mention I have to make of the music composer Rana Muzumdar, because the title track of Broken but Beautiful is so different. Yeah, I mean, it's like I can hear it on loop. It's that good. So right from the writer Reshu Nath to the creator developer Ekta Kapoor, amazing show. So Broken but Beautiful, you can watch it on Alt Balaji or on the Z app. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.